65. Divorce. This is a Madni Surah revealed in the 6th year of Hijrah. It has 12 verses in 2 sections. This and the following Surah Al-Tahrim speak about family rules. The spouses should follow Allah's rule whether they have disagreement with each other or they love each other. In the surah, the proper rules of divorce are given. Do not just say the words of divorce and separate yourself from your wives, but give them their rights. It also reminds the believer to obey Allah and His Messenger. Those who disobey Allah are warned the consequence of their disobedience. Introduction to the sections. Number 1. The rule of divorce. Number 2. Warning to those who disobey the commands of Allah.